Hello, good afternoon. My name is Anisidora Galvan Ayala. Effect of technology of the every moment. From my point of view, technology has been a very influential factor in environmental pollution, but we must ask ourselves why this has happened. This has been generated by the change in the living conditions that society has imposed, increasing population, increased energy expenditure, or the increase in consumer goods. All that aforementioned has led to the technological advances that we can find to date and these very serious problems that occur every moment. Example, desertification, air pollution, unsustainable waste in the future. Impact of biodiversity, deforestation of forests, and global warming that is advanced more and more. I believe that an important measure in the environmental technology used by implement, which are often doubly positive and allow both an increase in environmental performance and an improvement in economic performance, reducing the consumption of resources or waste such as pollution emission can reduce the impact on the environment. I can also be advantageous goals for the companies by reducing its energy and waste disposal expense, thus reducing supplies and the contamination expenses. We must all be aware of how serious environmental pollution is and begin to place technology in favor of caring for natural. Since through it we can take advantage of natural resources to avoid their overflowing tension and depletion of them. If things continue like this, I believe that United Nations organizations, ONU, should take very severe measures to preserve the every moment, such as creating climate policies that stop pollution, creating environments, campaigns with the population, warning those chemicals and minimizing the use of dangerous reagents from companies that affect the every moment. We must all contribute a grain of sand to save our planet. Thank you very much for your attention.